Hello friends, today I am going to show you the merge cells option available in Excel. So there are three types of merge cells available in Excel: merge and center, merge across, merge cells, and the fourth one is unmerge the merge cells. So let me show you how this works. So here are, if you see, these are the examples of these merge options. So first one is merge and center. The second one merge cells. This is merge across, and the fourth one merge unmerge cells. Now let me show you how this work and what is the difference. Now the first one I will use merge and center. So I will select this cell from A to D and I will use merge center, and the second one I will select and use merge cells. So see the difference, the first and second one, both the options merge that cells, but in merge and center the word itself saying merge and center, it means merge that cell and center the alignment of that text. And in merge cells the option will merge that cell without doing any changes in the text alignment. That's the difference in these two options: merge cells and merge and center. Now let's come to merge across, how this work. So there is a two row. In row 5 the word merge across, and in row 6 there is a text Microsoft Excel. Now I want to merge these two rows separately with their respective text. So for that we have to use merge and across. Here we cannot use merge cells or merge and center. If I use, suppose if I use merge and center, it will give me a message, a warning message: margin cells only keeps the upper left value and discard other values. So this warning says if I use OK, this will discard my all other text and keep the only the first row text. So this is not we want to do. So let's do undo. So we want to keep these two separate row text in their respective row, but we want to merge the respective row. Correct. Now for that we have to select this entire cell, and here we will use merge across. See, it will merge the respective rows with their respective text. And the last one, to unmerge the merge cells. So this is the merge cell. We have to just click on unmerge cell, or you can click on merge and center as well. See, and you can change the alignment. So these are the four options for merge cells in Excel. Now let's test this in some live data. So this is my live report data. This is the employee name, and this is for the target of their respective months. Now in row 1 I want to make a header like sales target year 2018, but this text is in A1 cell. I want to keep the merge from cell A1 to D1 to keep this text. So I will just select the cell from A1 to D1, and here I will use merge and center. See, Now let's take the other example. So this is my other set of data. Here we have a month, we have an employee name and their respective sales target. But here in row 1 we want to keep sales target, and in row 2 we want to keep for the year 2018. So here we will select this sales and we will use merge across. If you want to make the alignment as center, you can choose this. Correct? I hope so. You have to think as per your data where you have to use which merge option. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.